We lived our lives not really caring about COVID until it came to the US. Once it got out of control, things just stopped. Since then, COVID has changed everything. While we social distance and self-isolate, researchers are rushing to find a vaccine, and healthcare workers are fighting to save as many lives as possible. As students, we might not be directly saving lives, but we'd like to provide a solution to help protect the amazing people that are.
The Mark T 10 out of 10 WNR is an innovative solution that would permanently eliminate unnecessary contact between medical caretakers and isolated non-critical COVID patients, primarily in college quarantine housing. The Mark T 10 out of 10 WNR is a robot designed to penetrate a variety of everyday materials from a safe distance away to a precise location in front of patients' doors. The prototype Mark T 10 out of 10 WNR effectively demonstrates how a caretaker can efficiently utilize this method of contactless delivery of vital supplies to a recovering student.
With this technology, a medical worker can supervise testing from a safe distance away from patients and pre-program a specified distance or room number to travel to. They can place an empty test tube and swab in dedicated containers on the robot and send it off to the rooms, where patients can administer their own tests. An ultrasonic sensor allows for contactless return, prioritizing the health of all by eliminating many opportunities for contamination.
The Mark T1010 WNR provides an innovative way to ensure that no caretaker ever has to stay in contact with the sick within college quarantine housing. Implemented at scale, this small robot can make a big difference. Hey, Katie. Hello.
All right, let's get started. Hi, my name is Catherine Poon. I am majoring in industrial engineering.
I'm Matthias Spunberg. I am majoring in mechanical engineering with design.
I'm Allison Marzano. I'm majoring in mechanical engineering.
I'm Rachel Gurr, and I'm also majoring in mechanical engineering. So we decided to design a robot with the focus of how COVID's spreading, especially when people come in contact with those who are sick. In order to prevent the spread of COVID-19, we designed a robot that will be able to deliver daily supplies to people in isolation housing in an efficient, low-cost, contact-free method using the smartphone equipment.
Yeah, we needed to, the basic task, of course, was to deliver supplies to patients in isolation housing, which we needed to do in a method that ensured the safety of caretakers. So we needed to design a robot that would, create a barrier between caretakers and patients. So, for example, when delivering testing supplies, the supplies are put onto this robot. They can go a distance away to create an amount of distance between recipient and the caretaker.
So the way that we went around doing that was using our ultrasonic distance sensor, not to sense, a wall or something like that where the robot would stop or an object, but rather to sense the person's hand, so they could wave in front of it, and that would know, then the robot would know to finish its task by going back to the proctor station in a contact-free manner.
Here you can see our final design with the distance sensor that Catherine mentioned, as well as an emergency button that when pressed will stop the robot. We have a switch that is what the proctor will turn on to send the robot on its way. And we have a buzzer to alert the patients that their test has arrived. So let's see it in action. So I'm the proctor for the COVID-19 testing on this floor of isolation housing. So I'm going to put the test tube and swab onto the robot and send it off to the rooms.
Now I'm going to give the buzzer and take my test. So I'll take the swab and a test tube. Once I finish taking my test, I can put it back, wave my hand, and I'll send it back to the proctor and I can
and then I can take the test and restock the robot with the new one and send it off again.